Absolutely. Which leads me on actually to project managing like a project like that. That is such a God gift, like insane. I've had moments where I've had like 4 or 5 tradespeople from different trades in the house, each of them asking me questions at the same time. And I'd be just like reaching a point, and reach that point very quickly, about 15 minutes into the conversation, like just do this, do that. I don't care. Just do it. You decide, whatever. I can't make that decision right now. And actually having a project manager to take care of this, to have like the list of these decisions that have already been made, to like reiterate those decisions to the tradespeople, and instead of you having forgotten your own decision, because that's what happens usually, having to like decide it yet again. Oh no. It's just makes a world of a difference. It's so worth it.
Do you think that's something else, if you were to take on a project like this, you'd look at employing a project manager?
Yeah.
Were you under the impression that your builder would have made more of those decisions when you contacted him? Or not necessarily verbally spoken, but maybe a slight assumption? Because I think that happens quite a lot.